What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to talk about switching your account types, let's say from a cash account to a margin account, or from a margin account to a cash account on the WeBull app. So basically, very simple steps. If you log into the WeBull app, either on your phone, the steps here are very straightforward. You go to your home page. The home page should be the button that you see in the middle, just in your WeBull app, the bottom middle. You click on that home page, and then you click click account, or just tap on account. Scroll down, and then you would find what it says the account type. Once you get to the account type, you want to switch it to whichever account type that you're going for. Let's say you have a cash account, and then you want to switch that to a margin account. In that case, you pick the account type that you want, and then it's just gonna put in a request for you, and then I think the WeBull team is gonna review it, and then approve based on information that they have. So so if you can see here, so again, you go under account type, you click on accounts. I will take you down. See here, you see the option of changing the account type. So you click on that, and then so you can select the account that you want, and then just submit. Once you submit, it's just a matter of you waiting for WeBull to get back to you, and you should be good to go. It's very, very easy. Again, on the WeBull app, there's nothing that will slow you down. They've made it so easy. Again, the things that I want you to consider before you do the conversion. So if you're switching from a cash account to a margin account, the first thing is that you want to make sure that you have at least $2,000 in your cash account. Otherwise, it won't allow you to switch it. You would have to go and open a margin account on its own. So on WeBull, you can have a cash account and a margin account under the same name, so that's allowed. But if you want to do gas switch, then you have to have $2,000, at least $2,000 in your cash account. And also, you would have to make sure that you sell all your positions and allow your cash to settle. So if you have any unsettled cash, you have to wait 2 business days for that to settle before you can submit a request to change your account type in WeBull from cash to margin. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, check the links in the description below to get 2 free stocks if you open an account with WeBull and deposit $100. So links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.